see the London Eye in front on the south bank of the river. This is Victoria Street. The city is just a hive of madness. There's cars driving out in front of other cars, people walking across in front of cars, buses pulling out in front of cars. It's full of activity. You can see the telescopic handler coming with his name on the side of it, an Irishman. Who was regenerating all this part of London, changing the footpaths and that, making it more elegant, in keeping with the area, you know, to maintain that kind of spectacular look. Winston Churchill up there, look. I gotta move. Lights are green. We gotta move. Look at that. 2, 4, 6 cranes there on one job. Amazing stuff. All these buildings have been designed by 3 different architects, even though the same contractor is doing the whole job, or the same developer. Berkeley Group is the name of the developer.
We are now here on Albert Embankment, south of the River Thames, and there stands beside me here 3 projects that are being built by the same group, the Berkeley Group. 3 iconic buildings. The Marano building, a 28-storey block, which is going to be seen throughout the skyline of London. The Corniche building, which is the middle building, which has rounded balconies on it to emanate the flow of the river or the ripples of the water in the river. And the Dumont building. All these buildings are apartment buildings which have been constructed along this bank, which would have had less significance in previous years. But now, because there's new work going on in 9 Elms Road, a whole regeneration project, including Battersea Power Station, this is of significant value. And it has got a great view of Parliament buildings and Big Ben here behind me, as you can see downstream in the river. So from here, we'll move on to 9 Elms Road next, where we will see 9 Elms Road, and also we will look at Battersea Power Station building, along with all the regeneration that's going to happen there. Essentially, the cube-shaped building that's here behind me is the US Embassy's new building in London, a £600 million development. This building was essentially the catalyst that started the regeneration of Battersea Power Station and Covent Garden Flower Market, where a pair of twin towers is going to be constructed by a company called the Wander Group. We'll be going down there very shortly and taking a few shots so that you can see the scale and enormity of the regeneration that's happening in this part of the city, which was essentially wasteland before they decided to regenerate it. So I look forward to showing you this part of the city and the new development that's taking place there.